Hello, lovely viewers. Welcome back to Hive Tales, the channel where we explore the wonderful world of bees and honey. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe, hit that like button, share this video with your friends, and leave us a sweet comment down below. We always appreciate your support. Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic that combines the sweetness of honey with the emotional journey of pregnancy. It's all about how honey can play a significant role in promoting emotional well-being during this special time in a woman's life. But before we get started, let's talk about what honey is and why it's so incredible. The magic of honey. Honey is a natural sweetener produced by honeybees from the nectar of flowers. It's packed with essential nutrients, antioxidants, and various beneficial compounds. But what does this have to do with pregnancy and emotional well-being? Let's find out. Nutritional powerhouse. Honey is not just a sweet treat. It's also a nutritional powerhouse. It contains vitamins, minerals, and amino acids that are crucial during pregnancy. These nutrients support the health and development of both the mother and the baby. Energy booster. During pregnancy, many women experience fatigue. Honey can provide a natural energy boost, helping expectant mothers stay active and alert. Stress reduction. Pregnancy can be a stressful time, and stress is not ideal for the baby's development. Honey contains compounds that may help reduce stress and anxiety, promoting emotional balance. Mood stabilizer. Hormonal changes can lead to mood swings during pregnancy. Honey's natural sugars can help stabilize blood sugar levels, preventing mood fluctuations. Morning sickness relief. Many pregnant women experience morning sickness, and it can be quite challenging. Honey's soothing properties can help alleviate nausea and provide relief. Boosting immunity. A strong immune system is crucial during pregnancy. Honey's antimicrobial properties can help strengthen the immune system and protect both the mother and the developing baby. Safe consumption. While honey has numerous benefits, it's essential to consume it safely during pregnancy. It's generally safe for most pregnant women, but it's recommended to consult with a healthcare provider before making significant dietary changes. Adding honey to your diet. Here are some delicious ways to incorporate honey into your pregnancy diet. Drizzle it on yogurt or oatmeal for a sweet and nutritious breakfast. Mix honey with warm water and lemon to soothe a sore throat or calm an upset stomach. Use honey as a natural sweetener in herbal teas or smoothies. Emotional support. Pregnancy can be a rollercoaster of emotions, and having a strong support system is vital. Surround yourself with loved ones who can provide emotional support and share the joy of this journey with you. Before we continue, don't forget to hit that like button and share this video with your friends and family. If you're enjoying the content so far, consider subscribing to Hive Tales for more sweet insights into the world of bees and honey. Real-life stories. Let's hear from some expectant mothers who have experienced the benefits of honey during pregnancy. Their stories highlight the positive impact of honey on emotional well-being. Perfect gift for expectant moms. If you have a pregnant friend or family member, consider gifting them a jar of high-quality honey. It's a thoughtful gesture that can bring a smile to their face and support their well-being. Now, before we wrap up this video, I want to remind you about another essential topic we've covered on this channel: the importance of protecting honeybee populations. Be sure to check it out after this video to learn how you can help save our precious pollinators. Well, that's all for today's episode of Hive Tales. We hope you've enjoyed learning about the incredible role honey can play in promoting emotional well-being during pregnancy. Remember to subscribe, give us a thumbs up, share this video, and leave your comments below. We'd love to hear your thoughts and experiences. Thank you for joining us on this sweet journey. Until next time, take care, stay healthy, and keep buzzing with happiness.